Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I am skipping church service this AM because my husband wants to make a quick dash to Austin. We have a investment property there. I tend to get emotionally attached to things, and my husband told me from the start, like, do not get emotionally attached to this condo because it's not ours. It's just an investment property. But this is actually the first time that I'm going to see it, so I'm pretty excited. It has been rented out, so there's a few things that he needs to grab from the condo. He needs to make sure that the washer and dryer are stacked and ready to go for the new tenant. So I'm excited to see this condo. And then after that, we'll probably grab lunch, and I do want to make a quick dash to the Reformation. We don't have one here in San Antonio, so whenever I have an opportunity to be in Austin, I like to make a quick dash to the Reformation store. I'm just wearing my hair slicked back, you guys, because it is so humid right now. The weather was really bad yesterday. It flooded in parts of San Antonio. We live kind of in the hill country, so it never floods in this area, but yeah. San Antonio was a bit of a mess yesterday, but let me show you my outfit of the day. These jeans I actually purchased about 12 years ago in La Jolla, California. They are super high-waisted, which I love. I'm wearing my Gucci belt, and this little tube is from Aritzia. It is a medium. This is the first time I'm wearing it. I did show you the orange one that I bought, and it is a little big from this part right here, so I keep having to pull it up. But I didn't want to buy the small because I felt like it would just squeeze me too much, and I am mature, so sometimes little fat pops out, so I didn't want that, so I ended up buying the medium. So I feel like I have to be pulling it up quite a bit, but it is comfortable, and I love the length. You know, the length, it covers my belly a little bit more. As far as shoes, I think I'm gonna break out some Oran sandals that my husband bought me like 3 years ago in Europe. It was a surprise purchase. I think they were limited edition. They have like the little studs on them, and I have yet to wear them, but I guess I forget. I stored them in my closet and I forget they're there. But anyway, I'm just gonna wear my hair slicked back in a chongo. I just need to put a little bit of hairspray, and I have this little like remolino here. It's like a little cowlick that I like to fill in with a little bit of like powder, like black powder, just to kind of fill in because it looks like I'm bald. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of makeup so I don't look so just blah. But yeah, so let's tune in a little bit later on. Okay, this is the look. I ended up throwing on my just plain black Oran sandals because it looks like it's gonna rain and I don't want to break the new ones out. And I reached for my Celine bag. But yeah, this is the look. And makeup, just a little bit of my Water Fresh tint. Okay, we'll see you guys in Austin. Each unit has one designated parking area. So you said that a 2-bedroom has one parking space, and if you have a 1-bedroom, I think you have to buy the parking space, which is crazy. But it looks like we have a really nice view. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the unit. Quick tour of the kitchen. We had to buy all the appliances. I think that the condo did come with a Wolf stove, but we did buy the washer and dryer and this refrigerator, which is nice. I love the apartment, but it's a little too modern for me, hence that's why the building is called Modern. Okay, living room. This is the main bedroom. Blackout shades again. Nice ceiling fan. Concrete wall. The bathroom is there. Rainy Street is like right downstairs, so you really don't need to go anywhere else. But I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yes, this is our investment property that I will never ever stay at. Keep. Okay. Happy Tuesday. I'm getting ready to go into town. It is super rainy here in San Antonio. It's been like this for 2 days. I think it's going to be like this all week. And I hate it because it kind of depresses me a little bit. But I mean, we can always use the rain, right? Everybody's grass in the neighborhood looks amazing. I didn't get my workout in this morning because I just started fiddle-faddling around the house. I cleaned out my little study area. I have so much makeup that I have to go through and get rid of because I don't use it and I continue buying it. I don't know why I do that, but I am going to separate some stuff and give some to my sister and then maybe a few things to some of my girlfriends for my Bible study. But yeah, I am going to Home Sense to go buy baskets so that I can put all my books in on a little, like a little console table that I have because everything's just out there. So if I put everything in a little, what's happening? Oh, I guess because my car is talking to me. This is my Toyota hybrid. I do have a Porsche Macan, but this is kind of like a work car and a travel car. And the girls are allowed to get in here. Anyway, I'm sorry, I digress again. So I'm going to go buy some baskets so that I can put all my books in, just to kind of get them out of sight because I have a lot of books. And then I'm going to just come back and continue fiddle-faddling around the house. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to do today. My glasses are a little dirty. I need to clean them. I feel like I need to clean them. I don't know what to clean them with. I don't have anything. Oh gosh, they're super dirty. What do I clean them with? Let me see if I can reach back here and grab this little shawl. Anywho, that's it. Oh, I did want to go to Aritzia. I saw a halter top that I want to buy. I don't know if they have my size. I have to try them on. Because I typically buy size mediums in most of my tops. Oh gosh, doors. What the heck? I don't know what to do. I don't have a clean. I'm going to have to go back inside to get something to wipe my... What is there one here? Oh yeah, look, there's one here. My car is a mess, you guys. But anyway, I did my hair yesterday. I washed it. I didn't color it, but I did upload like a little short on my YouTube and on my Instagram, kind of my process. Okay, that's better. I need to put these on. I don't know why I take these off. I mean, this is like full-time prescription glasses, and I didn't feel like wearing my contacts. But anyway, here comes my husband, so we'll chat later. Okay, I am back, and I'll show you the little baskets that I found at Home Sense. But first, I got to show you our laundry room, which looks amazing. So here it is. This is the finished, well, it's not finished because we still have to put the door handles. Love that. These right here are the hampers. There's 3. That one's for linens. This one's my husband's and this one's mine. And then I put baskets for all the items that I don't always reach for, like cleaning supplies. So I put them in those baskets, and these are for finished laundry. And then these I bought from Amazon. I have the detergent, laundry detergent, scented beads, fabric softener, pods, dryer sheets, and OxyClean. I need another one of these to put the OxyClean for white. And these are the handles. They're the exact same ones in our kitchen. And then here, it's not super organized, but this is where I have all the big products so that I can refill those. Okay, here I have sneaker pods, tub cleaner for the washer, and just like little odds and ends. I need to put that in one of the baskets because that doesn't go there. Up there I still have enough storage for like paper towels, toilet paper, And same thing here, and more storage up there, which is nice. I don't know what I'm gonna put up there, but I can buy more of these to put up there. And this is super cool. So I found this on Amazon. Since our space is so small, I found this on Amazon, and our contractor put it up for me. And so all you do is pull it out and you hang your clothes from it. So that's pretty cool. And then when you're done, you just pull these in and voila, it is out of sight, which is nice because our laundry room is really small. And then these little mats I bought from HomeSense. I wanted something very simple, no color or anything. I just want it to look really simple. And this is a little picture frame that I had in our guest bedroom. And I don't know if I'm going to put it up there. I have two. I might do two or put it here because it definitely needs a little something because it's very plain, which is what I like. And then that is a new light fixture. Let me turn off the light. Our contractor did such an amazing job. I'm super happy. So now, eventually, not now, not anytime soon, but maybe towards fall, our bathroom. That's going to be a complete remodel. We're going to have to gut the bathroom entirely. Floors are going. I mean, it's going to be pretty messy. So I'm telling my husband that I might just take off to Harlingen with the girls during that time because clutter and messes make me really nervous. I don't know why. It's like clutter. It's too much. And I know that that's going to be a big project. And there's going to be so much dust everywhere. Probably going to have to take everything out of our closet because there's going to be a lot of dust. But anyway, I'm not going to worry about that because it's a long time from now. How about this golden hour right now? I moved my study around just a little bit just to kind of give it a different view. I do need to buy a large area rug, and there's a few little changes that I want to do in here. I have a couple of unboxings to do. Actually, let me grab this Aritzia bag. Okay, I bought a top at the store and I ordered a top. I ordered some more clips from Emi's. They had them on sale for 4th of July weekend. Like, there's nothing like Emi clips. It came out with a really pretty white color. So I ordered it. It was, I think, 20 or 25% off. Oh, this is so cute. I ordered this one and it has like little rhinestones on it. These, you guys, like really grab my hair. So nice, and they're super sturdy. I don't have the amount of hair that I had when I was in my 40s. As you can see, it holds very nice. So I'm a big fan of Emi hair clips. This is the big effing clip. They have the smaller ones, which I only have one of because I'll use it just when I'm going to do half my hair up. This is the size that I use when I'm wearing all my hair up. But I love, and then they also sent me, probably just give these away, but they're, oh, these are cute. I'll probably put these on my laptop. Yeah, I mean, they're kind of juvenile, but we'll just give them away. But ordered that, and I also ordered a top. Well, let me show you the one that I bought first. I bought this top from Aritzia. I kind of went back and forth with this color because I wasn't sure if this color was good for my skin tone. I hate trying stuff on in Aritzia because you have to like walk out and everybody's there to see, and I freaking hate that. Like, I don't know why. So I always request a room that has a mirror because they have like one, maybe two. So I'll always request that room. If not, they have some fitting rooms in the back, and there's like one big mirror, but in the back there's like only two like fitting rooms. I know there's probably something behind why they do that, but I have to say that not a lot of people are comfortable walking out. And then sometimes there's men sitting there and I just don't feel comfortable. So this little top, it's a halter top. It is really cute. I thought about purchasing a size medium, but I think that there would be a lot of loose material here, and this one just fit me so nice. So I ended up buying the small, which is my size. I guess I'm just comfortable buying mediums, but this was a really good size. The color that I really wanted, they were sold out of. Oops, let me get that in here. I'll have to hang that in a minute. The color that I really wanted, they were sold out of. And they did have a white one, and they also had, what color did they have? They had a white and black. And I mean, you guys, you know, I love my black little tank. I told myself I'm not going to buy, is that too much light? Maybe that's kind of a lot of light. I'm sorry about that. I'm not going to redo this video. So no black tank. I might buy it. I don't know. But the color that I wanted was this one, but they were out. They didn't even have a size medium. This color is so pretty. This is the color that I wanted. Look how beautiful this color is. With my dark hair, I think it'll look really pretty. Why does it feel? Did I order a size small or a medium? No, I ordered a size small. Are they different? Let me see, because this one looks like it hangs down a little bit more. And this one, I think they're different, y'all. Oh, I thought I ordered the same. When I ordered it, they didn't have this color. And I'm like, where's this color? They didn't have it. So they're totally different. I would try them on, but I don't feel like it. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got. That is it. Tomorrow, what am I doing tomorrow? I'm going to church service at 9:20, and my husband and I'll probably go out for brunch. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. I'm really trying to upload more videos.